Hi, welcome to this video. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you three steps that you can follow every single day to accomplish more on your business as well as on your personal life. Whatever goal you have, okay, you can achieve it in a small step every day if you take it. Okay, there is a 3-step formula that I'm going to give you. So basically here actually I have a notebook that I have written down, otherwise I will fumble in between. So to make sure the information goes to you properly, I have kept it the notes. So the first step, now this one is actually I got inspired from Brian Tracy. Now he is one of the legendary guy, right? If you don't know, just YouTube it or Google it, who's Brian Tracy is, you'll come to know. He's a remarkable guy. Okay, so what he says is there is a 3 steps. So I've distilled it. Well, there's a lot of different ways to achieve your goal, but these 3 steps are really important. So step number 1 is you need to write down, okay, all the actions that you are going to take in that particular day. So in the morning, you just need to write it down. Maybe 5 steps, no 7 steps, 10 steps, no matter how many steps are there. Just write it down every day. What are the number of tasks you have to achieve? Okay, sorry, not steps, it's tasks. Okay, just write it down first. So I want to show you my notebook here over here. So if you see, there are 7 tasks I have noted it down for today. This is the date of today's date and I have just noted it down. So you need to just write down 7 or 8 whatever tasks you have. That is the step number 1. When you wake up in the morning, you do whatever you want to do. Then after that, you just need to write down certain steps, certain tasks that you want to achieve in a day. Okay. Step number 2 is you need to prioritize them. Okay, so if you see, there's a second column that says priority, and you need to put priority next to each items. Okay, that is very important because everybody knows that we cannot achieve everything in one day, right? So if you have let's say 7 items that you want to achieve, then possibly is that you might not achieve everything in a day. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to prioritize the items based on what? Now this is very important thing. Now priority happens based on the goals. Okay, let's say you want to you have a monetary goal and you have, let's say, a couple of things you want to achieve in that particular day. Let's say number 1, you have a item that you want to let's say update privacy policy. I'm just making it out to the thin air. Okay, so number 1 is you need to update something on your website. That let's say that is some work you have to do. Second one is let's say you want to create a blog article or a video you want to shoot for your audience. That is, let's say, the second task you have in your mind to accomplish. The third number, let's say you want to reach at least to 10 people explaining about your business so that you can make some money. Okay, and the fourth one is let's say you want to go through your let's say different articles in different blogs or different groups and identify what people are asking and how to answer them. Let's say these are the 4 priority things that you want to, let's say these are the 4 things that you want to accomplish in a day. Now out of this, which one should be priority number 1? If goal is to make more money, out of these 4 tasks that I just told you, which one you think should be the highest priority? Which one you think that will accomplish, that if you do, that will accomplish 90% of the task of the day or of your goal? Right? Based on these 4 items, my number 1 priority would be, when you write it down, only then you will be able to focus it. So that is, writing is very important. So based on these 4 items, mine would be like, I need to go to 5 or 10 people and talk about my business. That should be my number 1 priority, because when you talk to more people, you'll make more money, basically, because you will be able to explain what your business does, what your services does, and all this stuff. Right? So that should be number 1 priority instead of other things. And once that is done, you can go for the second one. So if you have 5 to 10 items, you need to prioritize 3 items that actually covers 90% of all your tasks, or yeah, basically that is it. 90% of all your tasks you should be able to achieve if you do these 3 things. So that is how you will start your day. That is how you will plan, and make sure you'll be disciplined enough to complete that. And how to do that? Well, keep that note handy like this all the time with your hand, so that you can check it out and see what are your priorities, how much you have accomplished, right? Make sure you do that, and trust me, if you just follow this simple technique, this is my friend, small things, okay, that will give you a big result. Okay, small achievements is going to give you a big success. That is how it works. So this is how you will do it. This is very simple. Make 3 steps. Let's consume it. First one, just ask yourself, what are the items? Just type it down. After that, ask yourself, what are the 3 works that I do in my work today? Okay, and after that, ask 3 things you do in a day that accounts for 90% of your accomplishment, or that is aligned towards your goal. Okay, so make sure you do that. And I'll come up the next video how actually you follow up, because follow up is very important. Without following up, it is you're not going to make any progress, right? So something happened. Anyways, so that is one thing. That is what you need to do. And my friend, if you are interested in creating more in an online business, then I have a sweet deal for you. And also, if you want to get more traffic, qualified leads especially, not just any lead that can that just come in and they just don't buy, or they just don't convert, not that kind of leads that are qualified, that are pre-interested on a business. If you want to learn more about it, or if you are thinking how to give more value without before selling, and you want to sell more products, more services, but you are not a salesman, you don't want to sell it. Basically, you want to give more value so that sales happens as a byproduct, automatic, right? If that are the things that you are interested in, then I have a sweet deal for you. There is a link below or above, or you go to my profile, there will be a link. So just click on that and let's chat, and I will show you, based on your interest, what's the best for you. Okay, everything is free. Okay, nothing is I'm not going to charge you anything. Everything is free. So make sure I have laid out everything in a video training, so that it will give you all the details. Okay, so if you're interested, then go ahead and check that out, and take some notes there as well, and make sure you enjoy the video, and get success, become successful, right? That is the ultimate goal, right? To become successful. And success happens, my friend, as I tell you, these 3 steps that I just told you, make sure you do it every single day. Okay? Again, I'm repeating, plan your day, morning, it is very important. But before that, make sure when you're planning it, write it down, the 5 or 7 or 10 steps, whatever, 10 action items that you want to achieve in a day. After that, you need to ask yourself, what are the 3 things you will be able to accomplish in a day that accounts 90% of your all the tasks, right? You need to weight based on that, as I gave an example before, right? So do that, identify only 3 tasks, and make sure you complete those tasks before you go to bed. Make sure you complete that. That's some discipline you need to bring on, but slowly, when you start doing it, slowly you will be able to become disciplined. Okay, and don't forget to like the page, subscribe the channel, whatever you have don't know, because if at all you haven't done it, just do it, because I'm going to give you a lot of value, my friend. Okay, and I'll see you at the top. Okay, I will be part of your success journey. Okay, I'll see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye bye.